Brian here with you to take a look at this late 19th century folding pocket map of the state of New Hampshire, where we are right now, presenting this to you. As you can see here, we've got at the front, Rand McNally has printed and pasted in this list of some of their various maps. The imprint here tells us it's 1885. There is a index at the front part of this little pocket booklet, and at the rear is the map itself, which is loose from the pocket folder. And so we will now open it up to show you how it is preserved. As you can see, it's still clean. There's this tiny little split right here. This hasn't been unfolded in quite a while, so we're going to unfold it for you and for our eyes right now. This little left blank margin is slightly rumpled, but otherwise the map itself remains clean and well preserved. It also has an 1885 imprint down at the bottom. It's printed on a sturdy bond paper. It's color lithographed, and it is currently available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.